Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to show time, date, and weather on your iPhone home screen. Now, this is the home screen right now that we're going to be working on, and in order for us to do that, I'm just going to go ahead and press or long press somewhere right here, click the edit button, and then we're going to go ahead and add widget. I'm going to click this one, and then here at the top, we're going to go ahead and type here. First, let's go with clock for time. All right, and then let's go ahead and choose a different kind of clock. Let's go ahead and choose this one. I'm just going to go ahead and click add widget, and then let's go back to the edit. Oops. And then we should be able to see here add widget option. So click that one, type the widget right here. The next thing will be date. So we're going to go with calendar. All right, and I'm gonna go ahead and click calendar right here and then choose what kind of calendar you'd like to be visible. I like it this way so I can see the other days of the week as well. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and rearrange them. Just try to put the calendar first, and then let's go and add one more. It's gonna be for the weather. So click this one, choose how you'd like it to look. If, say, for example, you like it this way, so you have visible week, that would be amazing as well. So you can go ahead and add it there. So yeah, that's basically how it is going to look, everybody. I hope this video helps you out.